The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Sad. John, it's sad for real. Well, they had tried before. Originally, when he came to church, he testified that his car was shut up. His children, in it, but they had escaped that attempt. That was some months ago. So he keep coming to church, and I guess them trail him this morning right in the car parking lot and just, just shoot him on him thing, isn't it?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, this is another sad news again, Now, there's reports out there about a businessman that is said to be from the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica, that had been shot and killed in a churchyard that is located along Slipe Road in Kingston, Jamaica. Alright? Now, this said to have happened on the 16th of February 2020, and the name of the person that had been shot and killed is said to be Wayne Stanbury. Alright, and just in case if I get the pronunciation wrong, I'm going to spell it. According to reports, the name is spelled Stanbury. Alright, now according to reports, it is said that the deceased drove onto the church compound and exited his vehicle and was about to attend a church service when a lone gunman that was traveling on foot opened fire and hitting the deceased multiple times. Now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports, it is said that this is not the first attempt at the life of the deceased, as it is said that he had been shot and injured sometime last year, October. Now, there's a short video clip that is out on social media that shows a little bit of the scene of the incident, where it is said that the man had been shot and killed in a churchyard that is located at Slipe Road of Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, now please bear in mind that this video clip might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, observe.
So the policeman cuss the people them. Yeah, whatever they say big
Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on reports that is out there, and that there might be more information about this incident that had happened, and I'm only explaining to you based on how I understand what has been said out there in reports. Alright? Yeah, and this is where I leave the viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it?